Hey, welcome to Omnivore Blade Works 2020. This is the first day of the next generation of production capability. The reason I say that is because I just machined something out of aluminum, and I've got some tapped holes, and I got some machine pockets and some chamfers and counter bores, and this is a good test part for the fixture that I'm going to be making for tomahawks, and then of course for actually chamfering and pocketing and whatnot. This is aluminum, and it's not the most rigid setup. You can see some chatter on the features, on the chamfering features, but part of that is just the nature of aluminum, and also part of it is the feeds and speeds and the cutting tool that isn't designed for aluminum to do that part of the job. Anyway, I'm excited, and I'm going to make a tomahawk fixture real soon. Probably start working on it right now.